Guys, probably natapos nyo na panoorin ang live launch ng Xiaomi dito sa Philippines. And yes, I know na naglabas si Xiaomi ng tatlong bagong phone. And it's the Xiaomi Mi 11T, Mi 11T Pro, and ang kanyang Lite version, Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE. And of course, this is probably one of the lightest and the most powerful smartphone na alam ko, no, by Xiaomi. Tara, buksan natin. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So hawak natin dito, no, kaka-unbox lang natin ang Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE. And guys, alam natin, no, na naglabas si Xiaomi sa Philippines ng Xiaomi 11 Lite 4G. Hindi naglabas ng 5G variant itong phone na ito. So I guess narinig tayo ng Xiaomi and they give us a better version, no, ng 5G nila, which is of course the NE. Ang meaning ng NE is new edition. Okay? So kita natin sa likod, no, it's almost the same sa kanyang 11 Lite 5G na variant. Yung camera module niya halos kamukha ni Xiaomi Mi 11, no? And of course, ang print dito, Xiaomi 5G. So alam natin 5G na siya. And very, very nice. Very smooth ang kanyang likod, no? Very pastel colors, no? So very refreshing sa mata, no? So guys, itong phone na ito, it has 4 colors, and starting with the truffle black, bubblegum blue, ito ang hawak natin, no? Peach pink, and of course, ang kanyang snowflake white. And I wish na nakahiram tayo ng snowflake white, no? And I heard that the snowflake white is the best seller right now, no? Meron siyang 3 layers, no, na nilagay sa likod para lumabas yung snowflake effect, no? So I hope na makahiram tayo, no, para mapakita ko sa inyo. But right now, we're stuck here with the bubblegum blue version, and of course, happy naman tayo. We're able to review this one. Now, guys, of course, syempre, this phone is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, which is a 5G chip, 6nm siya, no? And yung kanyang benchmarking is almost the same as those of the Snapdragon 865. Halos powerful siya, flagship siya of yesteryear. Okay, so definitely it's something na worth considering if you're wanting something na very light sa pocket mo, yet powerful siya in terms of camera, in terms of kanyang processor, and in terms of refresh rate, the kanyang display. Okay na okay itong phone na ito. I guess bagay na bagay sa inyo if ayaw nyo na sobrang bulky, no? Siyempre, of course, what I like about this one is pag nilagay mo sa pocket, kahit tight jeans kayo, no, okay siya. No? So, you can carry this around any time of the day. Kasi ang mga smartphone these days, pabigat na ng pabigat. Okay, so hawak ko, Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, which is definitely one of the heaviest phone na na-handle ko, no. But of course, syempre, sobrang powerful, no. This one, powerful siya. And of course, yung kanyang camera is good. Makita natin, no, yung pagka-protrude ng kanyang camera is very thin compared sa mga ibang flagship ng Xiaomi. This one is definitely manipis na siya. Okay? Wala akong masabi, sobrang ano niya, no. Sobrang nipis niya, no? Definitely, ang kanyang phone is very thin. Makita natin ang kanyang bezels, no? Is very, very thin. Almost symmetric siya, no? All throughout. Kung pinansin nyo siya, okay, mas makapal ng konti sa ilalim, no? But overall, pag hindi masyado pinansin, halos symmetrical siya, no? Almost bezel-less. Sabi ko siya, no? Which is definitely good for a smartphone. Now, ang screen nito, guys, is a AMOLED display. 1 billion colors, guys, which is definitely good to the eyes. Makita mo sobrang detail ng mga colors, no, na mapapanood nyo dito. No? Dolby Vision siya, HDR10+, 90 Hz. Take note, 90 Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate and up to 800 nits ang kanyang max brightness. No? So, tinry ko naman maglaro, of course, under the bright sunlight. Makita natin, no? And definitely wala masabi. Bright siya. May ibang kasi mga cheaper na LCD panel or kahit AMOLED panel siya, no? May mga mas mura. Pag nailawan na silawan ng araw, medyo hirap. Wala ka na halos mabasa. This one, no problem, no? Now, guys, itong phone na ito is just weighing at 158 grams. Grabe, gaan nito, no? And bigyan ko kayo ng quick phone tour. Sa ilalim, no? Meron siyang kanyang loudspeaker, ang kanyang Type-C port. And of course, don't forget yung kanyang microphone in. And of course, meron siyang SIM slot. Now, bubuksan muna natin yung SIM slot. Tingnan natin, no? Ayun. So guys, kita natin, no? SIM 1 and sa kabila, SIM 2/SD card. Which is definitely welcoming sa mga tao gusto mag-expand, no? Yung mga tipong isa lang inyong SIM card. And the other one, okay lang, bakante, pwede nyo lagay ng SIM card para mag-expand ng kanyang storage. Definitely very welcoming, no? Then sa kabilang side, malinis. Sa ibabaw, kita natin ang kanyang IR and of course, ang kanyang noise cancelling mic. Sa kabilang side, kita natin ang kanyang volume rocker plus power button and fingerprint sensor. Now, pag-usapan muna natin ang camera nitong phone na ito, no? This has the 64MP na wide lens. 8MP ang kanyang ultra-wide lens and 5MP ang kanyang tele-macro lens. And sa harap is a good 20MP na front-facing camera. Now guys, makita ko ng ilang teaser photos, no, na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito. So guys, ang battery nito is a 4,250 mAh na lithium polymer. It can support up to 33 watts ng fast charging, no? Na default sa kanyang phone, no? It's not so fast considering 33 watts. Siyempre, iba yung mga 67 watts. But of course, okay na siya para sa akin, no? 33 watts. Hindi na siya ganon kabagal. Guys, siguro pinaka-inaantay nyo right now is the price of this phone. And meron siyang tatlong configuration. 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage is priced at 16,990. Meron siyang 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, priced at 18,990. And of course, ang kanyang pinaka-highest variant, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, priced at 20,990. Grabe guys, ang price is really good. You should grab the offer. And of course, mamimigay sila ng mga freebies, no? When you purchase early, may mga early bird na price, and of course, mga freebies. Do check it out on the description link below, no guys? Ipopost ko lahat yan dito sa description box. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. And ako si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?